good morning from the set of Gardening with Larry and my new music video. It is a beautiful morning. We've had a warm summer. These plants are really opening up now. I've got over 50 of them. Some of you have seen them, and they continue to amaze me every day. And like I said, I fell in love with these sunflowers last year when I planted Sunny. Sunny was my 9-foot sunflower. I did a children's video actually called Sunny the Sunflower, and I'd be happy to share that with you. That really inspired me and opened me up to these beautiful flowers. These beautiful, wonderful, warm, bright flowers that remind me of God's love. It's just been an amazing experience for me, and I'm happy to share this with you. My pumpkin patch, which you can't see in this shot, you can in this shot, but it's just going crazy. I know there's pumpkins growing under there. We're gonna have a lot of pumpkins, Charlie Brown, and but these flowers, every morning I have new flowers, and I had a little white yellow finch up on my, what I call my grandpa plant this morning, 106-inch plant that was measuring. Remember, you watched me measure it, and the finch was eating the seed already out of there. Amazing. So they all serve a purpose. So, but this is my son's ukulele, and I'm using it in my new music video, and it's really a wonderful instrument. I play guitar and I play piano, but this is just something that I've really taken a liking to. So I really love this instrument. It's a blessing to play it. So kind of appropriate too out here in the garden today. How many plants do I have? Care to take a guess? My security frog was actually in this morning's Daily Sentinel. So if you look at July 22nd, gjsentinel.com, you hopefully will see that security guard that I have that helps me police the garden. That was cool to have that in there. It's a really cool picture. But I've got hummingbirds, amazing pictures of hummingbirds in my garden, finches, little birds, bumblebees, bees, the frogs, mourning doves, and anybody else that's come along I've captured on video. So it's been a fantastic learning experience, educational, like I said, very therapeutic. And I'm just so grateful and blessed to be here and to be able to share these updates with you. So I'll leave you this morning with my heavenly array of sunflowers. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Gardening with Larry.